morning! Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11, starting off with a fall. A small trip, if you will. But look! I mean, one at the pretty decorations, but two, there was a dusting of snow. I can't stand it. I did have things I was going to go do, but now there's a slight little bit of snow that's not even affecting the roads. That's going to prevent me from doing all that. Shame. Yeah, how does it feel? Day 11. I came down and saw Mother watching another Korean thing, and I was like, still doing this and not baking, huh? I'm like, everyone, we're only going to have 4 kinds of cookies because that's all we could manage to make between Mother's shows this year. And she went, I'm going to bake. I just finished working out and I wanted to finish this episode before I took a shower and got to baking to stop my nagging daughter. Oh, looks like a chocolate covered raisin. And I'm also going to get a meal replacement shake. I need to get my light for the camera. Okay, so I have the light. What do we think of this? What do we think of the yellow? And then that one isn't the brightest, but for some reason I was looking right at the light. I think that one, perhaps? Let's go into a dark area and see how that works. Alright. Light acquired. You know, I must say, some people don't like how they look in the morning, but I do. I'm looking at myself right now. I think that I look nice in the morning. I like my fluffy hair. I think my skin looks soft and velvety. And I think everyone's eyes, like that slightly sleepy, just woke up, is kind of adorable. So, yeah. Well, I do have a workout class. It's my last workout class to instruct, and then I think I'm gonna go get my nails done and want to go look at the wrapping paper at one of our stores, and I need to pick up some mulled wine. Oh, it's freezing out here. There might not be a lot of snow, but the wind is brutal and it is absolutely freezing. It's 30 degrees, which if it's been 30, who cares? If it's been 20 and 15 and it goes to 30, that's actually not too bad. But when it's been 50 and then it drops 20 degrees to 30, oh, I can't wait to get to my class. Alright, so we are showered and I had to pop over to Save a Lot. You can't see the bags. We needed more butter because we can't bake without butter, and apparently we were out, and we needed some milk and some eggs. So I ran down here, and yes, it's still cold. So my car has a flat tire, so I've come back to the tire. I believe it needs to be sealed. I filled it up just the other day, and oh my gosh, this eye is not it. Anyway, yeah, so I'm like, I need to get this done before it gets even more snowy and more cold and terrible. So we probably will not be getting our nails done today just because of timing. It seems that we must be a boring, responsible adult instead of a fun adult. It's okay. I would rather have a safe car to drive, quite frankly. And they were able to get me in right away. It looks like it's kind of a slow time or a slow day, whichever it is, possibly both. And so they were like, yeah, if you just get us the keys, we'll take care of that right now. So I just saw them drive back with it the second. So shouldn't be too long, hopefully. Oh my gosh, I can actually see part of my car in their little doorway. That's fun. Well, no simple repair for me. Apparently the tire is dry rotted and can't just be patched. I have to replace it. Of course. Since I don't have to have my hat on, I put my little because it matches me. Look, I'm a little matchy plaid and red reindeer. It is quite cute. So, I think that I'm going to write for a little while. I'm going to get my second novel complete, and since I have time off of work and I'm not going to go get my nails done and Mother is occupying the kitchen right now, I think that is what I will do for a little while. So it's not the most exciting vloggy thing in the world, but we will wrap some presents later so that we still do something Christmassy today. Alright, it's been a little while, and I have taken to wrapping gifts up. Two of my friends are really into knitting, and I know nothing about it, so I bought like a big bunch of assorted random knitting stuff, and I'm splitting it between the two. This came in one of the packs along with this little turtle, and so I'm just splitting the things up. This is going to go into another bag. Like all this bunch of stuff, like I'm presuming these are like the needles and some threaders and stuff. It's a lot of this same stuff, only with different colors, are in this bag. And then there's a whole bunch of these little doohickeys. And now I'm splitting up the yarn. And yes. So I'm doing that and going to wrap these up. These are the gifts that are going to the holiday party I'm going to on Friday for my gaming group. And I'm like watching, I just have on a classic holiday, just playing some instrumental Christmas music, and I'm just vibing over here. Several completed gifties. Oh, I just love them. What I'm realizing is we need bows that are slightly bigger than this, but smaller than this, for presents about these size. These two bows are a little too small for my liking, but they'll do because they fit the themes enough. And then, of course, gotta love the convenience and beauty of a gorgeous little bag. And I think that is where we're going to call it in for Vlogmas Day 11. Thank you so much for being a part of my little Christmas adventures, even though it was a little painful to begin with. We're past it. I hope that you're feeling better too. So, a very heavy burst of snow just decided to unleash from the skies. Can you guys see that? Is it clear to you, the insanity that is happening? It was all good. And now it's not. I cleaned up the floor, I fixed the bag, picked the stuff up that was over there, picked this up over here, and I was just messing with my Barbies. This is Drew. She's one of my favorites. Put on her red shoes and her holiday dress, and I was just brushing her hair. And then I look over and see whiteout happening. If you're not, I hope your pain eases soon for whatever you're going through. And season's greetings, happy holidays, and I will see you for Vlogmas Day 12 tomorrow. I can't believe we're halfway through. It's always too fast, isn't it?